National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cherokee County in northeastern Texas, Gregg County in northeastern Texas, western Harrison County in northeastern Texas, western Marion County in northeastern Texas, western Rusk County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Smith County in northeastern Texas, Upshur County in northeastern Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:36 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 6 miles west of Cedar Springs to near Mount Salmon, or along a line from 11 miles northeast of Gilmore to 9 miles northwest of Jacksonville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Welcome to the Best Smile Transformation in East Texas.
Radar
brought to you
indicated.
by Texas Sedation Dental.
Impact.
Voting is
Expects
open
damage
now,
to
so
roofs,
scan the code
siding,
and let us
and
know
trees.
who has the ultimate smile. And you
Locations
can watch the
impacted
results
include
live right on your
Tyler,
smartphone.
Longview,
And while you're there, check
Jacksonville,
out some cool
Henderson,
dental facts.
Kilgore,
Join me every
White
week
House,
for new smile
White Oak,
transformations by
Gladewater,
Texas
Gilmer,
Sedation Dental.
Hallsville,
Until next time, I'm
Overtrup,
David Gibson.
Bullard, Jefferson, Troop, Big Sandy, or City, New London, Hart, Clarksville City, and East Mountain. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure
The
and
East
stay
Texas
away
Storm
from
Team and
windows.
KTPN are
These
partners in
storms
keeping
are
you and
capable
your
of
family
producing
safe.
damage and winds.
Folks, weather can
Repeating,
be unpredictable.
a severe
If you lose
thunderstorm
power
warning
or if
has
you've
been
been alerted
issued
to seek
until
shelter,
4:15
be sure to have
p.m.
your radio
Central
or
Standard Time for the
KTPN mobile
following
app ready.
counties in
So you
Texas,
can continue to follow the
Cherokee,
East Texas
Gregg,
Storm Team's
Harrison,
coverage of your
Marion,
area.
Rusk,
And they'll let you
Smith,
know
and
when you're in the
Upshur.
clear.
Trust the East Texas Storm Team and KTPN before, during, and after the storm.